Good afternoon, primary. Welcome to our remote learning assembly for Friday, June 12th. I hope you've had a great week. It's our last full week of school, and we just have 4 days left. This is our next to last assembly, and we'll have one more assembly next Thursday. Today we have learner profile. We have the birthdays, all the birthdays for June, and next week we'll do the July birthdays. We also have some goodbyes to say. I hope you enjoy it.
Hello Primary School, Miss Avril here. I hope you're well and fine. Make sure you're staying nice and warm in these chilly days. I'm reading out the final nominations for Learner Profile Awards this year. Let me begin. We have 3 nominations and we'll whoosh them at the end. Here we go. Enthusiasm Award. Miss Jan has nominated Logan in grade 1. Logan sends Miss Jan messages on Seesaw to tell me which of the tasks he enjoys the most, and he also asked me to send him some more. Miss Jan has also nominated Kayla in grade 1 for being principled. She consistently completes the tasks from the remote learning plan and from Seesaw activities without reminders. And our final nomination from Miss Jan is for Enzi in grade 1. A great communicator, Enzi made a clear recording about sorting the days of the week. He also explained that his favourite day is Wednesday because of our class Zoom meetings. Thank you, that's all we have. Let's give them a whoosh. 1, 2, 3. Whoosh. I'm wishing you all well, primary school, as we wind down to the end of our academic year. I hope to see you and speak to you soon. Bye-bye.
We have several goodbyes to say this week, and while we are sad that these students are leaving WIS, we are happy and grateful for the time that they have been part of our community. Ian in 1D and Ina in 1J are staying in Namibia. Chloe in 2B and Zara in 2D are moving to Azerbaijan. Maria in 1D and Afonso in 3L are moving to Mozambique. Filippo in 3G is leaving Namibia, but at the moment is not sure where he's moving to. And Hervé in 4A is returning to Senegal. We wish you all good luck. Thank you for being with us at WIS, and let's whoosh them well. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Well, that's our assembly for this week. Have a great weekend. Do your best for the final 4 days of school. Keep warm, and we'll see you next week.